Hola mga Marshies! Ayan, so haggard natin ngayon kasi napapagod ako. Napagod ako kasi galing kami ng hike. And then, now, nagsabi sa akin yung mama niya na gagawa kami ng invitation. Pero sabi niya, isusulat lang daw. Ito, ipapakita ko. Ayan. Ayaw ko siyang ilagay dyan kasi sobrang simple. Simple lang naman yung gusto ko. Gusto ko nga brown paper lang. Tapos yung pag-print na lang. But, ayoko nang sobrang, super bata yung design. So, gihuwat lang na ako karon si Frank kay mag-unboxing mi sa ring light na iyang gipalit na ako. Oh!
Ha, perfect. So we make now the light on with the Fernbedienung. Hello, welcome. Hey, welcome to Laura's channel. Here is the ring light. It's brand new from China product. In Germany you can buy. It's hard, yeah. But now we try. Sige now, let's go.
Ito siya. Gikapoy kog Tagalog. Uy. Kapoy. Sabtanan ako ninyo kay gikapoy kog Tagalog. Nga kalain ako kami naon kung magtinagalog ko. Lagi. Lain ko tanaw kung anon ko magtagalog ko. So, gihuwat lang na ako karon si Frank kay mag-unboxing mi sa ring light na iyang gipalit na ako. O mo na ako mga request niya na palitik ring light kay kung maghimo ko og mag-vlog ko tapos DIY sa mga photoshoot namin. Ayan. We need ring light and softback. Hindi pa kami nakabilang softback. Ring light pa lang yung nabili namin. So, pasensya na no, kay medyo pagod jud ko kaayo ron. And, ich bin so kaputt. And, mag-thank pa ko sa akong himuon. Kung makahimo ko og invitation or what, I must ask Ate Uli later if meron siyang envelope. Ayan. Baba kanto bitin dise camera halten. Can you open na lang the ring light? Ich bin so kaputt.
I open now, ja.
Ja, dann mach ein Foto bitte, Video bitte.
Okay.
Aber du musst immer sprechen, oder?
Ja, ja. Jetzt. Läuft das Video schon? Mit einem Tomahawk? Mit großer Axt?
Ich weiß nicht. Ich öffnen, oder?
Ah, jetzt machen wir das Ringlight open, lieber.
Here. It's so...
You start.
Oo, here ka.
So, jetzt öffnen wir das Ringlight. So, mal aufmachen. Zack, zack. Geht rund. Zack. Hello, welcome to Laura's channel. Yeah, lieber. Now we open the ring light. What I give to my girlfriend, my future wife. So, los geht's. Schauen wir mal. 45 centimeter, 18 inches. And we look inside what's this. Helligkeit is this and this minus and plus. Look,
Okay.
that's more temperature, and that's down. This you can make of M1. It is gespeichert. When you make the other color.
Vielleicht this is so klein.
What?
That's the ring.
Why?
It's so klein for my ring.
Huh?
Yeah, my ring, I think it's big.
No.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
Not bigger. It's
Yeah.
18 inch.
Maybe this one lang, pero the circle, maybe it's big.
No, it's
Yeah.
not more.
I show you later.
45.
But alles okay. This is schön.
That's the other. That's now M1
Two.
and that's M2. Wow. Crazy. Ja,
Danke.
es ist hell.
Danke.
Not that it's burning. You don't know it's China product. You must control. And then when you have a phone, then you make like this here. Clack clack. Open
Clack,
your
clack.
phone. Diba?
Dami niya nga madami niya nga kahit anong ano dyan. Tingnan niyo yung mga car niya. Sa kanya yan. Tapon ko nga, ilagay ko sa box. Oh, das ist schön. Ay. Okay, you can say goodbye na. Outro na, dali.
So, bye bye.
Ano pa?
Please like, subscribe, and click the don't go over the ads in the videos. Bye bye.
Like, don't skip the ads.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, bye-bye mga Marshi. Sorry, hindi ako siya yung pinano ko. Siya yung pinapablog ko muna kasi. Ich bin so kaputt. Ich bin so müde. Like, I am so tired. Kasi, laglakad kami. Ilang kilometer? 5 kilometer?
5, 6.
Oo, 6 kilometer yung nilakad namin. Nag-hiking kami. So, bye mga Marshis. Please don't forget the ads. Bye-bye. Don't forget to, don't skip the ads. Bye. Danke.